Okay, so first off, quick
We
issue.
rolling?
We are rolling now.
Okay.
Okay, first issue I want to ask is parental rights. Big on it here in Florida. What do you make of this new initiative going through the Congress? You know this, you remember Congress, you know how it works up there. You think parents should have the right to decide what apps their kids should download, or should they be in charge of the apps that their kids download on their phones?
Well, what we did in Florida a couple years ago with the social media stuff is we said, because federal law right now says a social media company or tech company can't issue an account to someone 13 or under. What we did is we said, okay, 14 and under, you just can't issue that. To a minor, 15 or 16, it requires parental consent. And basically, I think that was a happy medium between saying, because I think part of the issue with parents is it's hard to police this stuff. You can tell your kid, don't do those apps, but I mean, they have access to a lot of stuff. So it's really about holding the tech companies accountable. And so for us, it's 14 and under, you can't issue an account. Now, some parents will say, well, you know what? I want my kid to have an account. Well, the parent can open up an account for the parent and then let the child use it if that's what they want to do. We're not going to police the parent, right? We're basically policing the tech companies because, you know, these tech companies, their business model is to make it addictive for young people. And I think you just look, I mean, you know, social media has been a big thing for what, 10, 20 years? Has that had a positive or a negative effect on kids? And I think it's had a net negative effect. So I think parents just want to be able to have some wherewithal and have a chance to be able to fight back against these predatory big tech companies.